Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning unit 4. Its title is Sharing is Caring. So today, under the title of reading skill, we will learn 7 days in a week and 12 months in a year. We will recognize their names. So first you tell me, how many days are there in a week? And can you name all the days of the week? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. And how do we name them? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Right? Once again, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Right? So this is how, teacher, why I'm saying it quickly, because this is how we can teach name of days in sight way learning. Like, how do we read sight words? Instead of telling them spelling of every word, we need to teach them in sight words method of learning. That's why I show this slide, say the names of days quickly and make the children to say after you pause the video, say names of the days till the time every child learn it and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now you can spell and say names of week, names of days of the week, right? Okay. So our today's SLO is to point out specific information in a calendar like the month and days of the week by sight reading strategies. Okay. Now you can name the days of the week and you have to find out in a calendar about day and month. This is what our today's SLO and we are going to learn today. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 5. The sun and the moon are bound by a fixed calculation. Now, my dear children, beta, every time I tell you, Quran teaches us everything. It's the movement of moon which makes Islamic calendar, okay? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us it's fixed. All right. So since this world has been created, there is a cycle of days and night, and days together make week, weeks make month, and months make years. This is how a calendar is, and we are going to learn how to read calendar. First, you tell me, how many months are there in a year? Do you know how many months are there? As we know, there are 7 days in a week. So how many months are there? And can you name all the months? If yes, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, how many months are there? There are 12 months, right? And what are their names? Let's read it. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? Once again, sight reading strategy I'm applying. Let's read it again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? Once again, teachers, kindly pause the video, make the students to read all the names of the month and then come back. Yes, my dear students. Now, every one of you can name the months of a year. Okay, so it's time to find out how to read a calendar. Okay, if I ask you, what is the day on 7th August, how you will read it? In a calendar, first you will go to August. You will reach to this month. What date I'm saying? 7th. That's here. First you will find it. Now what will be the day? That's written here. You see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So on 7 August, it will be Friday. This is how we read a calendar. We find a date, we find a day on that date and month of the year, right? So what is the rule, beta? From a bigger to lower. First, in a calendar, we find a month, then the specific date, and then day. Right? Do you understand? Okay. So it's our activity. Let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do? Taking one activity to another, more activities students are and make team. If you have a large number of students, you may take 3 students in a team. Okay, teacher, these are instructions for you. Make team of 3 students. Okay. Specify a time when they will practice reading the calendar on daily basis for 2 weeks. You will place a calendar in your class and tell them every day, for example, in their break time, before their assembly time, they will read the calendar. After 2 weeks, there will be a competition. Every team will have to identify 5 dates on calendar, and the team with all correct answers will be winner. And if the result is less than 80%, you may repeat this activity for next week and so on. Right, teacher? This is how we can make, because it is ongoing process. So every day students need to keep on like finding dates in calendar. This is how, by sight reading strategy, we can teach them how to read a calendar. Okay. So you can take the same calendar or calendar of your own to place in your classroom. It's time for your homework. Students, all of you, you will find out date of birth of all the family members and mark these dates in the calendar given on your book, and you will write these dates in your notebook. This is your homework, and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And what you are going to do, beta, this is a calendar given to you, and these are the questions. You have to answer these questions by looking at the calendar. Okay. So what we have learned today, we learned the days of the week and names of the month of a year. We learned to read a calendar. We pointed out different dates in a calendar using sight reading strategies. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to point out specific information in a calendar like name of the month and days of the week by sight reading strategies. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.